once you unscrew this one, just remove it, and then you should be able to remove the light from here like this. And just remove it. Once you remove the light, you have access to all the 3 bulbs, and you can just replace it and do the reverse back again. Once you put back the light, this is just a normal regular bulbs, 12 volts. Make sure these connectors are the bottom, because some of them comes with, this one is a little bit up here. If you go to a parts store, they should be able to. Mine came like in 2 of them, came in a standard 12 volt 21 watt Phillips. When you put back together, make sure these, you see this is like a little leak proof rubber that you want to make sure that one is in place. And this was held by, from inside was held by 2 plastic screws tied like this. When you put it back, make sure there's a lot of debris over here that you can clean it up. You just have to put this side first, this side like this, and there's two little knob that holds it together on the other side. So you have to put this side first like this, and then put the knobs